Hey, second grade writers, welcome to writing lesson 2. I am so proud of the hard work you did yesterday. You guys did an amazing job of writing to teach and then using a text feature to help the readers really understand what it is that you were writing about. That's what writers of informational text do. Your job is to teach someone about a topic, using text features and facts and definitions to develop your points. Today I'm going to teach you a new way that you can organize your thinking to help you as you do this work with your topic. Here's our goal today. I can write an informative text about a topic using text features and details to develop points about a topic. Let's get started. One of the things that writers need to do when they're getting ready to write an informational book or an informational writing is they need to organize their thoughts, because sometimes our thoughts can go a little bit crazy and random while we're writing. We can use this graphic organizer to help us gather our ideas and then plan out our thoughts. Here are the steps that you're going to take using your graphic organizer today. You're going to list ideas you can teach about. So you're going to think, what is something that I know a lot about and I could teach someone? And you're just going to list all of those at the top of your graphic organizer. You're going to look at all the ideas you listed and you're going to circle one that you know a lot about and you want to write about. After you do that, you're going to touch each of these boxes and name a detail or idea about the topic. You're going to write that detail or idea on the line. And then you're going to jot some facts about each detail that you could write about. All of these facts need to be about the detail or idea that you put on this line. Let me show you a little bit about how this works. Okay, writers, the first thing that we do is think about all the different things that we know that we could write about. Remember, these are real topics, so I don't want to write about magic or dragons or fairies, because those aren't real topics. In informational writing, we have to write about real topics. I made a list of some real topics that I know a lot about and could teach someone. Soccer and softball, because those are the sports I played when I was a kid. Hedgehogs, because that's the newest member of our family. Fishing and school and family. Those are all real topics that I could teach you about. Once I make my list, I have to think, which of these do I know a lot about and which one am I excited about? It's important that we're excited about our writing. And I think I am most excited right now about hedgehogs because that's the newest member of our family. So I'm going to circle the one that I know the most about and I'm the most excited about. That's going to be the topic of my next informational writing. Okay, writers, here's what I want you to do. I want you to pause this video. I want you to get your graphic organizer out, and I want you to list a bunch of ideas that you know a lot about, and then circle one that you're going to write about for your informational writing. If you don't have this graphic organizer at home, that's okay. You can do the same work on a blank piece of paper or a piece of paper with lines on it. Make a list of ideas of topics you know about, and then circle the one that you're most excited about and that you know the most about so that you can do your informational writing on that. Okay? Pause the video and do this work. Don't push play again until you have the topic picked that you're going to write about. Okay, do you have the topic picked? If you have something circled, I want you to say your topic right now on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hedgehogs. I'm doing hedgehogs, and I'm sure you said something else. So now, once we've decided on our topic, it's time to think about the details or the big ideas that we want to teach someone about. If my topic is hedgehogs, I need to think about some of the details that I could teach someone about hedgehogs. I'm going to say them across my fingers first, and then I'll jot them on my organizer. Well, I know that one big thing that you need to know about hedgehogs is there's lots of different kinds of hedgehogs. So that would be something I could teach you. How to take care of a hedgehog is something that I could teach you. And maybe a little bit about some of the things that you can do with the hedgehog. So playing with your hedgehog. Those are 3 big ideas that I could teach you about. Now I need to put those on my graphic organizer. Look how tiny my line is. That's because I don't need to write a whole sentence. I'm just jotting an idea. So I'm going to write the word types here. So I want to teach you about the types of hedgehogs. I'm going to write the word care here. So I remember I'm going to teach you about how to take care of a hedgehog. And then I'm going to write the word fun right here because I want to teach you about some fun things that you can do with the hedgehog. Do you see how I took my topic? Then I thought, what are some of the big ideas that I can teach you about? And I put them right here in my writing. Guess what? Now I want you to try it. Pause the video. I want you to think of the types or the details that you could teach someone about your topic and jot a word underneath detail. If you can come up with 4, that's great. But if you only have 3 like I do, that's okay too. Okay, ready? Pause. Say them across your fingers and jot your ideas right down here. Okay, writers, if you pushed play again, that means that you have at least 3 ideas that you're going to do for your writing. Here's the final step. Jot some facts about what you know about each detail. So what I mean by that is down here, I'm going to jot some ideas for the types of hedgehogs that I could write about on this page. So I know that there's an albino, because that's the kind I have. I know that there are some that have dark colors, and I'll teach you about their names. And I know there are some that have light colors, and I'll teach you about those. Under the care, I know that I need to teach you about how to give them a bath, how to take care of their cage, and how to feed them. Notice I'm not writing whole sentences yet. I'm just jotting my ideas down. And then under having fun, I know that there are special ways to hold them and play with them. So I'm going to write hold and play. So I remember to teach you about that. And then I'm going to write the word toys because there are some special toys that you can have when you have a hedgehog. Notice how I didn't write complete sentences yet. I'm just jotting down my ideas. So now I have a plan and I can begin my informational book. Okay, writers, it's time to try out some of this work on your own. Here are the things you've already done. You've already listed topic ideas that you can teach about, and you circled one you know a lot about. You've touched each box and named a detail or idea about that topic, and you wrote it on the line. You're already ready for the next step. Jot some facts about each detail or idea to plan your writing, just like I did. Remember, those boxes are small for a reason. You're not writing complete sentences. You're just jotting your ideas down, getting ready for your writing. And then, if you have time, get started. Go ahead and start your writing. Don't forget to start by hooking your reader and introducing them to the topic using the ideas that we've used before. On the next Nearpod slide, I'll have a few of our anchor charts to help you remember how to do that work. I can't wait to see what you're going to teach me about, writers. I'll start my writing about hedgehogs, and you start your writing about your topic as well. When you're finished, head back to the Nearpod slide so you can share with us a little bit about the work that you did today. Have fun!